I just needed a job. Honestly, I feel like this is a really good opportunity for people who really need to get a job, because this can actually get you into high-paying jobs when it comes to doing electrical work.
How can you pass up an opportunity when you can get paid, go to work, learn new opportunities that you never learned before?
I know some people that went to the electrical union right afterwards. I'm just trying to get as much experience as I can, just to be able to have that extra experience to get going to other jobs.
If you would have asked me, no, not wiring. That was something that was way off the radar. I didn't even think of anything like that. Well, I know what I'm doing. Once you get the hang of it and you're going, it's like, it's not a problem. Like, I love getting on the ladders. I love getting up here, pinning up the light fixtures, and like, just to be able to close them and put them in. I like that. It's like a little adrenaline. It's something I can continue to do. I like it. I enjoy it.
The fun part about it is you're always doing something. You're always like figuring out something new. You're always learning something new.
Maybe this side's a problem also.
It's taught me a lot of new things, like I said, that I never thought I would be doing.
The real satisfying part is being able to finish it, like knowing that you did this and the lights turn on.
It's a lot of goodness at the end of this.